So today, a client called me to repair their damaged stacked stone where they keep their horticultural plants. This was how I fixed it. You'd need a brush, a caulk gun, angle grinder, construction adhesive, safety goggles, and gloves. We'd be using Ryobi tools for this repair. Step 1. Inspect the damage. Assess the extent of the damage to determine the best course of action. If a stone is cracked or broken, it may need to be replaced. If they are still durable, they can still be reused. Step 2. Prepare stone veneer. Use the angle grinder fitted with a stone cutting blade to trim or repair existing stone veneer. Step 3. Apply construction adhesive or mortar. Use a caulk gun to apply construction adhesive to the back of the replacement stone or the area where the damaged stone was removed. Apply a generous amount of adhesive to ensure a strong bond. Step 4. Install the replacement stone. Press the replacement stone firmly into place, aligning it with the surrounding stones and ensuring that it sits flush with the wall surface. To ensure a firm replacement, use the angle grinder to clean up any excess mortar adhesive from the surface of the wall and the stones. Step 5. Fill in the joints. If there are any gaps between the stones or along the edges, use the caulk gun to fill them with the adhesive. Ensure to smoothen the adhesive to create a uniform appearance. Step 6. Clean up excess adhesive from the surface of the stones and allow the adhesive to cure for the recommended amount of time before applying any additional pressure. Easy as ABC. This looks just like a new one. Save this video as it may come in handy someday, and also follow us for more interesting videos and tips. Catch you on the next DIY.